The Rainy Headwaters-Vermilion Watershed is renowned for its pristine waters and boreal forests. Home to awe-inspiring wilderness and rare plant and animal species, sustaining this watershed is a high priority for seasonal visitors and year-round residents alike. This new year, we look forward to working with local partners, large and small, to help sustain this special place. Through the Clean Water Land and Legacy Amendment, Minnesota took the bold move to expand local watershed management beyond county lines. This empowers agencies to work together to protect the whole watershed in a holistic way. Although almost 3/4 of this land area is publicly owned, our plan focuses on the voluntary actions that private landowners and communities can take. Our Comprehensive Watershed Management Plan has specific, measurable goals to meet within 10 years. These goals are science-based in that there is evidence showing they can protect or improve water quality for important issues like drinking water sources, fish and wildlife habitat, and climate resilience. Just a few of these goals include restoring 2 miles of lakeshore, sealing 50 unused wells, replacing 50 non-compliant septic systems, and replacing 10 culverts that are hazards to fish moving upstream. During the last year, we took to the road to listen to your ideas and comments during community gatherings. This input was put together to develop goals for priority lakes and streams. Once approved, cost-share incentive programs and additional technical assistance will be made available to landowners, communities, and other partners. If you would like to learn more, please join us for our hybrid public hearing on January 26th in Ely or at the Seagull Lake Community Center at the end of the conflict. After that, the plan will go to the Minnesota Board of Water and Soil Resources for approval. If you can't make it to the meeting in person, you can join us online. You can also read the draft plan and learn more details by going to our website. Thank you for helping us sustain the Rainy Headwaters-Vermilion Watershed.